The 2004 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.